Hello everyone, how have you been? Hope you're doing great. I don't know, whenever I start vlogging, the weather gets rough. Have a look at it. See, it's about to rain. Or maybe I only vlog when the weather is rough. So, it's been a while since I've done my last vlog. Actually, these days I'm busy preparing for my exam, which is in half a month now, and I'm so nervous. Just look at the view. And this vlog is completely unplanned. I thought I would do it once I'm done with my exam, but here I am. Good morning everyone. It's the next day and I'm done with one iteration of my study session, and now I'm thinking of making some breakfast for myself. And let's see whether it's good today. Have a look at it. See, so I'm thinking of making paranta for myself. It's been a while since I had paranta last time. Let's make it. Let me give you a glimpse of what I have created. It's not round, but it's okay, right? Not that bad. And here's the final look. It looks so damn delicious. Hello everyone, it's another day. So I started shooting this vlog 2-3 days ago, and I forgot that I was shooting for the vlog. And uh, right now I was studying, and I took a break and I started scrolling YouTube, and I saw a girl vlogging over there, and suddenly I remembered that I was also vlogging, and I didn't remember that. So I thought that, you know, let's start vlogging now. So nothing special happening these days. Actually, I'm studying all day, and it's 6:30 p.m. now. Um I wanted to go out for a walk, but can't go unfortunately because no one's at home and it's me and my dog only. So I have to wait for my parents. So today's walking session I have to cancel it. Um and I will study again after shooting this. So yeah, and we'll try and do something different. But right now, I'm just studying because there's too much pressure. Exam is coming, and I'm just so tensed. I'm kind of freaking out every moment. So yeah. So I've come to collect Kalte now. I really couldn't study because I've studied a lot today, and I thought let's step out of the home and do some activity. So this is called Kalta, and here's my dog. He's always with me, no matter where I go. We use Kalte a lot to light the chula because we use chula a lot here. So yeah, for that purpose we need them very often. So yeah. This was the next morning, and I had come to graze the animals. Actually, me and Charlie. And here I was going to take my exam. I was super nervous. I am finally done with my exam and everything. Kind of relieved, but also tensed. But never mind, that's never ending saga. So, yeah, done and dusted with my exam. And that's it for the vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll come up with the next vlog soon. Till then, bye bye. Take care.